A couple months ago, we remember talking about revamping our store just so that you all can experience a wonderful new place. Welcome to Htrz store, the perfect customer experience. After doing a lot of market research, after seeing the feedback from a ton of customers, what we definitely, personalize or customize feel, and for you to see one-on-one on how each product feels like, this is what we have got. We have counters for individual products so that we can check out each single product on display. Most of your protective equipment or gas, every single thing is on display for you all so that you can experience the products in hand at your own disposal. So of course, for you all customers out there, not really that cool with traveling that much, of course, because you would have already ridden a lot, this is the perfect place for you guys. And the second one is to take feedback from every single person out there. We at Htrz Modz are more focused and centric towards the customers, and because of you guys we grow. So here's the panel for you to write down your feedback and also at the same time just cherish a little bit more about motorcycling.